Welcome back to ADD Fitness. My name is Angadev Dobra, and today I'm going to teach you on how to do the push-up. Now, whether it is to impress your partner on the first date, a bet with friends, or you just can't get that first push-up for your workout, I'm going to help you throughout this journey. So the push-up is a beautiful full body exercise. Now the best part is that along with working your shoulders and your back, you're also working your core and building stability. So there'll be progressions for this workout, and as you get through all the progressions, you'll finally be able to do a push-up. So let's get into it. So a push-up is an exercise that requires a certain amount of body strength. Let me demonstrate what a regular push-up looks like. This is a regular push-up. Now if you're unable to do this and your body can't take the stress, I would suggest starting with the first variation or the first progression, which is bent knee push-up. So in this, get your feet together, sit on your knees, your hands little more than shoulder width apart, palms facing downwards. And I usually prefer opening my fingers so I can balance out the weight. And from here, you're just going to press down and you're going to come up. You're going to press down, you're going to come up. Now make sure to keep your neck neutral. Don't look too up or down. This will put strain on your neck. Once you're comfortable doing this and you can do these easily, I would say move on to the next progression. So progression number 2. It's a variation of the bent knee push-up, but in this we will elevate our feet. So in the same position, you're going to raise your feet, put all your weight on your knees and forward. Use knee pads if you need to, and we're going to go down and you're going to push up. Try and reach as low as you can to the ground. Down, up, down, up. You will notice that the stress has increased on your arms, on your shoulders. Also, make sure you try reaching as close as you can to the ground. Once you're comfortable with this, we'll move on to the third progression, which is a half push-up. So you get into high plank position like this, and from here, you're getting used to the push-up position. Now, you will bend your knees in the same bent knee push-up position. Do the bent knee push-up, come up and go back to high plank. So, now once you're comfortable with this, then you can move on to the push-up. Now let me explain about how the push-up works. The push-up is a chest exercise. It is great for the chest, but it also works out all your other body muscles from shoulders, back, even your core. And in this, you're going to go into high plank position. Have your arms right under your chest. It should be a straight line. Your back shouldn't be too arched or hyperextended. It should be flat. Your legs can be closed or out. The further out it is, the easier it is to balance. The closer it is, the harder it is to balance. Palms open or closed. I prefer palms open. And from here, you're going to push down, come up. Make sure to feel that stress on your chest. Both men and women can do this exercise. And tighten your core when you're doing this, so you activate it and you get the best effects. Now, a pro tip for guys: before going out for a party or a date, do 20 push-ups. Your shoulders will look way broader and the shirt will look better. Now also some key pointers on your journey to learning the push-up. When you're moving from the baby push-up to the actual push-up, I want you to do a recommended 20 repetitions of each variation before you progress to the next. So if I'm doing the first baby push-up, do 20 repetitions comfortably, then move on to the elevated baby push-up. Another thing is about breathing. When you're going down, I want you to inhale, and when you're going up in the push-up, I want you to exhale. And the third, I'm going to teach you some exercises that will make you comfortable with the push-up, that will help you build strength and make you used to the stress that you're going to put on your body. So the first exercise is high plank position. So you get into high plank position like this, and I just want you to hold this position and get used to it. See what it feels like. This is what the push-up position feels like. And you can do this for 30 seconds. The second exercise that I want you to do is shoulder taps. So similarly in the high plank position, you're going to now let one shoulder go, tap the other one, tap, tap, tap. You can do 10 reps and intervals of 3 every day. This will help you build that shoulder strength. And the third exercise, which is the best one to learn the push-up, is negative push-ups. So you get into the low part of the push-up, and from here, I'm just going to use my arms and I'm going to push up. This is 1 repetition. So this is a great way to learn the push-up because you're putting the exact same stress that is coming on your muscles. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with more workouts. See you next time.